Welcome back, guys. On today's video we're going to be covering off the Vandour universal door coverings to go over the side door and the rear door of the van. For regular viewers of the channel, you'll know that we've got from this company our shower door, which we've been immensely satisfied with, and we can only recommend it enough to people who are looking to put a shower door in. I'll leave a link up here to that video should you want to go and check that out. There will also be a link in the description so you can go and pick yourself one of those up. But for now, back to the door cover. I've looked around at the marketplace at all different options that are available. There's some that are really expensive, some that are really cheap. These, we believe, give you the best value for money. So what we're going to do, unpack it, show you what you get, and show you how to install it. Let's open up the bag and see what's inside. Right, so inside we have a bag which I'm assuming you can store it in if you want to remove it, and then we've got the clips to hold it around the frame. This sits behind the rubber of the door. Got the installation manual, which covers everything about fitting it to the van. And then you've got your set of clips, and of course the net itself. The good thing about these doors is it will fit both the rear door and the side door. It comes with excess material around the outside. Once you've fitted it, you trim the material off. First thing we need to do is offer up the mesh to the door so we can align the middle section to the opening that we have. We're going to do this and hold it in place with clamps. We've now got it test fit in place. Take a little bit of adjustment to get it just where you want it. It does cover the whole door with the zips on either side, so you can roll the whole thing up out of the way. And we've also lined up the mesh so it sits in the opening between the seats and the countertop. Next thing to do is remove the rubbers and start fixing to the frame. So we've now been adjusting the door just to make sure it sits where we want it to. And we're going to now be adding these little clips. These go onto the frame across the top. And what we're going to do, it does say to put the clips all along the top. We're going to do a couple down the side as well. There are 10 clips in total. So we're probably going to put 6 along the top and then 4 down the sides. And there we go, guys, that is the door now put into place. All that's left now is to trim off the excess. Was it an easy job? Yeah, fairly, just quite fiddly and definitely taxing on your patience, because as you try to adjust each piece in, you do need to get the tension right. Obviously the rubber decides it wants to come loose, etc. So a good set of clamps, and I would probably recommend a hammer just to get, or mallet rather, just to get some of the clips on. The frame is a little bit wider than perhaps you want it to be for the clips. Just a little tap with a mallet does open them up and get them into place better. So we're going to cut the excess off and we're job done. Okay guys, that's the install complete. Probably just need to just tidy up just a little bit where we trimmed it off, but all in all works really, really well, and it does join quite nicely in the middle of the walkway. Now we're going to repeat the process for the rear door, but we'll leave that for another time. I will leave links in the description below if you wish to go and pick yourself up one of these doors. Also, there will be a discount code available as well. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Also, don't forget the like button, the subscribe button and notification bell to hear when the next video goes live. See you in the next video.